Dear friends and colleagues, ceramics is our métier, beloved worldwide. Ceramics Destinations of the World, the huge project, gives us for work with clay an inspiring range of aspects and places, so-called hotspots in ceramics all over the world. The UNESCO Intangible Heritage was agreed at the UNESCO General Conference in 2003. Since that time, there is a list in each country where intangible heritage projects are accepted and published. In my time at the Ceramics Museum Westerwald as a director, I tried to get the application ready to be accepted in that list for Germany. The Westerwald region has everything perfectly prepared to be accepted in such a list, the finest stoneware clays, and a huge tradition. The excellent quality of the stoneware clays from the Westerwald regions is famous till our days. The blue and grey salt-glazed stoneware is well known all over the world. Using classic traditional techniques like throwing on the wheel and painting with cobalt, smalte on the pots with a brush made from pigskin is a very special tradition in the Westerwald. Special kiln constructions were used to produce masses of pots in blue and grey stoneware quality. The salt firing process needs experts for the firing and the salting when the temperature was almost 1280 degrees. The excellent quality of the pottery in the Westerwald region changed the shapes and the decors in the Westerwald region, also in Art Nouveau, to be ready for museums and collectors. After the last war, pottery made a big change. Art pieces and design were well accepted. Science and high-tech ceramics, studies in ceramics at university level, and education in technical things added to the pottery situation of the Westerwald region. Teaching and sharing our love for ceramics is very important. I always loved to be part of that, and it's a big, huge contribution to the intangible heritage. We have to make connections with the next generation. You need partners, lovers of ceramics helping you and supporting you, and working together is much better than working alone. You need partners and institutions, museums, gallerists, collectors, and people in the politics to help you and support your idea to be settled in intangible heritage for the future. Finally, the moment of celebration came. We were accepted in the list of intangible heritage. It's not a long list, as you see. It could be much longer. It's just a short list of all the questions coming up. But if you don't start, you will not have a success. So my opinion was, just give it a try. But the work will never end. It's not done to be accepted and listed. The work continues in the Westerwald too. It's just important to continue, to improve the local situation, to promote facts and visibility, to be attractive for researchers, to find sponsors, and to convince others to join and to apply too for intangible heritage. It's really not much what you need to start your application to be listed in intangible heritage. First, go to the website of your local government, download the papers, fill in properly, and then choose carefully the photos. Then send the papers and they will come back checked if they are okay or not. If not, you have the chance to fill in new things and then send it again. It's not a big problem, just get it started. To be successful for one project, for your own project, is one thing. But it's much better to convince others to apply for Intangible Heritage too in your country. Then the countrywide list will add to a network of a worldwide collection of ceramics projects, and I hope we can get a proper acceptance at the UNESCO for Pottery of the World in future.